Hello fellow explorers, ready for some thrilling news? Thailand has just rolled out a red carpet for Indian travelers, visa-free entry, and here's the best part, it's from November 10th, 2023 to May 10th, 2024. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can make the most of this amazing opportunity. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. First off, let's soak in the details. Thailand, a paradise of stunning beaches, rich culture, and delectable cuisine, is now more accessible to Indians than ever before. For 6 months, from November 10th this year to May 10th next year, you can travel to Thailand without worrying about a visa. This policy allows you to stay for up to 15 days, perfect for a rejuvenating vacation. Let's find out how you can capitalize on this. The perks of this policy? Huge! Save those visa fee expenses and channel them into your travel experiences. Forget the hassle of visa paperwork. Think impromptu trips or well-planned budgets. Thailand is just a flight away with no visa strings attached. Let's see how you can plan this dream trip effectively. Flights? Plenty. From Delhi to Bangalore, options abound for every budget. Accommodations? Whether you're into luxury resorts or cozy hostels, Thailand's got you covered. And what about places to visit? From the tranquil temples of Chiang Mai to the bustling streets of Bangkok and the serene beaches of Phuket, Thailand offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. Let's not forget the vibrant festivals like Loi Krathong or Songkran. Immerse yourself in these cultural fiestas if you're around. Now, I have a question for you. What's the one thing you'd love to do in Thailand? Is it exploring the street food in Bangkok, diving in the crystal clear waters of Koh Tao, or maybe attending the full moon party in Koh Phangan? Drop your dream Thai adventure in the comments below. Some tips to enhance your trip. Travel between November and February for the best weather. Thai culture is rich and diverse. A little respect for local customs goes a long way. And food? Thai cuisine is a world of flavors waiting to be explored. Stay updated on travel guidelines, especially in the current global health scenario. Questions? Let's address them. Travel insurance, it's a smart choice, though not mandatory. COVID-19 regulations, keep an eye on the latest updates for travel safety. Currency exchange, you'll find better rates in Thailand, so exchange there. To wrap up, this limited time visa-free entry is a fantastic chance for us Indians to explore Thailand hassle-free. Remember, this window is open only until May 10th, 2024, so plan your escape soon. Got your passport and travel plans ready? Thailand awaits you with open arms. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and share your plans with us. Until next time, safe travels.